Hi guys, I'm Krina. The festive season is right around the corner, so today I'm here with 3 very cute hairstyles for you to try. Take a section of your hair from the crown and split it into 2 sections. As you keep twisting your hair, take more hair from the hairline and keep going forward. Twist each section around each other and clip it while you work on the other side. Take all the hair in a bunch and twist it in order to create a bun. Now secure the bun in place with bobby pins and you're good to go. Once again, take a section of your hair from the crown, but this time you will divide it into 3 different parts. Keep braiding your hair as you take more hair from the hairline. Once you're done, secure it with a hair tie and do the same on the other side as well. Take all your hair into a bunch along with the braids and secure the ponytail with a rubber band. Take the top section of your hair and make a very simple braid. Once you reach the end, secure it with a rubber band. Hold the base of your hair and wrap the braid around it to make a rose. Tuck away the ends and secure the braid with bobby pins. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you do try any of these hairstyles out, don't forget to tag us on Instagram. Until next time, bye!